Quite the banana eating technique. I gotta get the camera figured out. Don't throw a banana at people.
Come on.
That's
What the
animal
hell?
monkey.
You're not a monkey. Corey, did you get hit?
Yeah, that stuff.
Did I get what?
Hit
Hit with the
Wild
banana?
bird
No, I
monkeys
ducked.
do. They throw turds at
Take
you.
cover.
By and made her eat it, and she was like,
Who did?
Paige friend.
Who came by and made her eat it?
The judges went, and your eye didn't meet her, and she went, when she left.
That's gross.
Mm-hmm.
You and your friends actually do pretty gross stuff, I decided. Your favorite topic of conversation is?
Off.
AKA poop.
Off.
Hoss. Even that you came up with a alternate ego for Hoss or for poop and named it Hoss. That's interesting.
How did you come up with that name?
Hoss farm smells like Hoss.
Huh?
Hoss farm smells like Hoss.
Hoss Farm, smell like Hoss.